This is like real pizza.
Sometimes you need a recipe that's going to be done quick and it's going to be satisfying. This is the easiest and quickest pizza recipe I know. I'm going to share with you all of my tricks today. People are coming over, they want to eat and they told me they want pizza. Yes, Marcin, it's you. You're my imaginary friend. You exist, but sometimes I imagine that you are my friend. He isn't. I pay him to be here. The thing that I wanted to do today is I wanted to make a cast iron pizza for you. But why would you make a cast iron pizza? The reason why I would make one is because I wanted to make a quick and easy pizza. As easy as possible, as quick as possible. That's why you would use the cast iron method. Now, I've seen all of these videos going around where people start making a dough, proving the dough, and letting it sit for 24 hours, fermenting it, yada yada, blah 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 blah. In the end, you take 2 days to make pizza. I don't want to take 2 days to make pizza. You don't want to take 2 days to make pizza. You don't want frozen pizza. You still want something good and tasty. So that's what we're going to make today. We're going to make cast iron pizza in under, what do you think, Marcin, 20 minutes? 20 minutes. The first thing that you need, of course, is a cast iron pan. The cast iron pan will absorb a lot of heat, and when you put your pizza in it, it's going to make your pizza crust fantastic. It's going to be crispy and crunchy. That's what we're looking for. It's like one of those Detroit deep dish pizzas. And that's such a tongue breaker. Detroit deep dish pizzas. They're fantastic. They're nice and fluffy. That's what we're looking for. So preheating our pan is priority number 1. I got my Kamado Joe already set up to a temperature of 325 degrees Celsius. Yes, that's crazy hot, I know. We're going to put in our heat deflectors. Now put in the grill grates and finally our pan. Close the lid, and now I'm going to show you guys which ingredients we are going to use. See, that's it. It's not much. But the main ingredient here, the secret, is dough out of a can. Yes, dough out of a can. You can get frozen pizza dough. You can buy it fresh if someone makes it for you. If you can buy it fresh though. But this is the next best thing you can get. This is a petit pan. It's like a dough that turns into a bread very easily. And you can get this at your supermarket store in the cooling section, and you just open it up and it's dough. It's right there. We're also going to use this tomato pulp, and it's velvety soft. It's going to give us a beautiful texture. Next, we're going to need some fresh herbs. I got some oregano and I got some basil. Oregano is going to give you the typical pizza flavor. Of course, you need some cheese, so I got some milk mozzarella. Don't use the buffalo expensive stuff. It's not going to be good on your pizza. It's way too moist. For my personal preference, I got a little bit of pork sausage, salami, if you will. Just slice it thin and let it crispen up. It's going to be amazing. To finish off, some black olives and, of course, some fresh ground Parmesan cheese. That's a big piece. I'm a big man. I know you like cheese. I like cheese. Everybody likes cheese. So you can never have too much Parmesan. We had our pan in the barbecue for around 10 minutes. It's hot and we can take it out. Be careful. When it's hot, it means it's hot. I'm going to drizzle in a little bit of olive oil. And when I say a little bit, actually I mean a lot. Don't want that dough to stick. There's my lovely, that's my photographer, content manager. Make sure you get that olive oil everywhere. Time for the dough. Let's go. How does that work? Oh no, I don't want to pull there. I don't want to pull there.
Yeah, that's how it works.
Yeah, but I don't want to. I just want to like break it, like cool, like pop.
No. Oh.
I'm the dude with the knife. So I just made dough in under 30 seconds. Did you see that? Now we're going to lay these out together, and then we're going to roll them. You don't have to worry about them not sticking together. It's not the purpose of this whole thing. It's going to stick together when it starts baking. I'll just lift this up. And if you can, just lift it in one piece. That's more easy. And then in the pan we go. Now it's time for our tomato sauce. You got that beautiful velvety tomato sauce. Don't worry, you can put a lot of it on there. Normally with pizza I always say don't put too much. Your pizza's gonna be soggy. This is a deep dish pizza. It can handle its sauce. We got the sauce on, time for our seasoning. We're gonna need salt and pepper. Of course, we're going to need some oregano. Oregano is a typical Italian flavor style. And it's gonna be perfect for a pizza. Just get a few leaves. If you want to be even quicker than this, you can use the dried oregano onto our pizza. Mozzarella! That's what time it is. I got these mini mozzarella balls. And normally you use these for salads, but they're great on pizza as well. Parmesan time. There we go. Boom, boom, boom. I'm using my zester, my microplane, just to get it as fine as possible. It will melt more easily that way, but it also means you can put a lot of it on your pizza. A few black olives, which of course are optional, and some really thin sliced slabs of pork sausage, dried pork sausage. And now back to our barbecue. The pan cooled down a little bit in the meantime, but don't worry about that. We'll put it back. We got our barbecue screaming hot. We'll close the lid and let this thing do its job. What do you think? Let's take a look. Morrison, point the camera at the pizza. That's right. The pizza looks freaking amazing. Look at it. It's so easy to make. Check that out. Wow. How long did that pizza take to make? 5 minutes preparing. 15 minutes in the barbecue, 20 minutes overall. Our pizza is done. It's already been cut. That's how cool this pizza is. You don't have to do anything other than show off to your friends that you got a beautiful pizza crust, nice and crunchy on the bottom. It's a little bit darker than I wanted to. And I'm actually afraid to bite into this because it's just straight from the barbecue. But of course, we got to do the taste test. Oh, this is a good deep dish pizza. You know, I was worried that the dough wouldn't bake enough, but it definitely baked enough. The top side could have been done a little bit more, but that's like a traditional pizza. With deep dish pizzas, you have more like a baked situation where the top is just not going to be fully baked because of all the juices that come out of the ingredients that are on there. But man, this stuff is good. Careful, it's hot.
Huh? This is like real pizza.
It is real pizza. I hope you guys give it a try because you can just throw this on the barbecue, even as a side dish. This is fantastic. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, then you know the drill. Leave us a big thumbs up and
Comment down below.
And a big thank you to all of our patrons and our YouTube members. You guys freaking rock. And in the meantime,
Eet smakelijk.
and
Keep on baking pizza.
that's right. That's exactly what I thought. You don't want a piece? You want to make your own? Go ahead, make your own. Oh, it's still hot. Olives are good. It's not burned. I didn't burn anything. I never burn anything. Come on. I don't even know how to do it. Burn things.
No, you don't.
I leave that to Morrison. Morrison burns my chicken. Mm.